Hey guys, this is Subhas here, and now I'm going to give you full, honest, depth review about LiveHost. This is a product launched by Anirudh, and he is one of my best friend. And basically, this product is based on hosting server. You can host unlimited website, and you can host your domain, and you will get free SSL and so many security which you will get this program. Also, this is similar like Bluehost and GoDaddy and HostGator and SiteGround. It is similar like a product. So where just like a Blue, if you're going to Bluehost, then you need to pay a monthly price. But this product is once you buy, then you will get for a lifetime access. So you don't even need to pay any monthly fee for your website and domain hosting. Also, you will get unlimited hosting for unlimited website and unlimited domain. Also, the great security system. Okay, so let's jump on here and I'll show you inside member area what you get after purchase. So once you purchase this product, then you will get on your web domain. This is your member area login. You will get your user and password through your uh, email. After then, here you can see server tools and file manager and server and virtual. And here you can, once you click on here, also you don't worry, you will get full training how you can host your domain and host your server, everything. Okay, so add your server simply. If you want to add your domain and website, you can do on here. Also, you can host any PHP script you have any cloud based software, then you can host. Okay, so this is really important hosting service, because I know you are paying a lot of. I also paid a lot of money through for my hosting website. I'm using Bluehost and TMD for my website, but I was thinking to move my all website on this server because it is lifetime and I don't need to pay for the money and monthly based money. Okay, also I'm providing my custom bonuses with you, because once you host your website, then you need so many tools and training to build a website. I'm going to provide my bonuses. Okay, so if you are watching on YouTube, simply click on the description link below, and you will coming on this page, and you can see my bonus number one, Personal Branding Academy course. It is a really great course, because once you're going on my academy, then I have selling this course is that 197. So let's show what is the real exact price of my course. Just a minute. So look at on here. This is my own personal course. So I have charging $197 for to building proper personal branding website. But you can get completely free as a bonus. So I have developed like 11 modules. So module number one, how you can how you can do step by step, how you can create a website, how you can create a everything. Okay, module number one, two, three, create privacy policy page, create home page, and everything as a bonus. I have including a lot of bonuses. So this is a big course, but you will get this as a bonus. So I highly recommend you, if you're interested this hosting, then you will get completely free this course. Okay, and bonus number two, generate press professional themes. So I know because generate press. Okay, I'll show you what is the exact real price. Generate press theme, approximately you will get around $97, but I'll give you completely free with this hosting. Okay, so you will get access Generate Press full version with real license, so you don't need it. So I'll also provide a license. So Generate Press, if you're going to premium theme, you will they will charge around one just $97, I think. Yeah, and you will get completely free as a bonus. And my bonus number three is really more important, because I'm going to give you Thrive Architect plugins, which you can install your website, and you can make a professional page like a landing page, sales page, your course member area page, and opt-in page, and your branding page, and any kind of pages, you any kind of funnel which you want to build. you can get, and it is really really popular plugin, and it is real cost is $197 for year, but I'll give you completely free for a lifetime access. Okay, so this is really really, I'm not huge fan of offering crappy bonuses. I'm offering really really good bonuses, which is give you authority to improve your skills and improve your website and save your money. Okay, so this is premium version. If you're going to bot, then you need to pay a lot of money. But and same thing is for Thrive. Okay, Thrive uh, architect. Once you're going to price, I'm going to click. So I hope you already know about just $197. So this is really really important. And bonus number 4 is that done for you website template. So I'm spending a lot of time to design a landing page for my website. Like on my, I'm designing a home page, and I'm designing about a space, and I have been designing uh, product page, affiliate page, resources page. So you will get all done for you pages. So simply once you get my pages, you can upload on your website using Thrive Architect, and good to go, your website ready within an hour. So that is really really important bonuses. So I have not offering a lot of bonuses because so many people's offering just crappy bonuses, just useless bonuses. But this is really really worth bonuses, and it is really important bonuses for your hosting. So if you just feel this bonuses is not good valuable, you should go to find another person review about this product. And once you fit, once our bonuses fit for with this hosting, then after you can access. But I'm give you guarantee because this bonuses is really important. So simply click on the link button and click on here and click any red button. And please remember, our bonuses has been expire. Okay, our bonuses will expire once today tonight. So before our expire our bonuses, you should access and claim your bonuses. And how you can get your bonuses? So I am already put bonus delivery URL on here. So you can see this is bonus delivery doc file. So once you access, after then you can see on after purchase this product. Once you see the access product button in the bottom, you can see in the blue color you get access bonuses. You will get this file and you can start now. Still you have any problem, feel free to let me know. So let's jump on the sales page and host unlimited website and domain or ultra fast server for life. That is unbelievable on one time price. Leave homeless behind the step to step and host unlimited website. You can take your time and just read now because sales page is too long. And just giving you, you can see on here, Amit is my one of the best friend. Okay, and just a minute. Okay, this. So you can take your time and go to and complete now. And today's price is that just I think 97, and you will also get a lot of bonuses inside: unlimited emails, SSL certificate, and 24 into 7 hour support, and 30-day money back guarantee. That is the best thing. So don't miss this opportunity because today's price something around just $12, I think. Just $12 is enough. So all you spend, once you spend $12, then you will get lifetime unlimited hosting. Also you will get my all premium, my approximately $1,000 bonuses, and premium, my all bonuses is premium. So you will win this hosting and win this product. Okay, so click any this button and go to access now and claim your bonuses. And I hope this is review is helpful for you. But one thing is that if you want to buy this hosting for your company website for a whole full server, then I'm not going to recommend you. But if you are going to buy for your personal blog, your blogging website, and your like some articles website, article review website, and then this is okay. So this is very good for lifetime, and you should go now. So I hope you understand and you get everything, and I am putting my bonuses and all details on here. So still you have any questions, feel free to comment or below, and I'll reply you. And I think I have explained everything. So thank you for watching our review, and I hope you get this product using my link. So thanks for watching, and we will meet you today for new training and new bonuses. Sorry for. Thank you.